top 5 best wood lathe chuck. Number 5. EasyWood Tools C1000. The EasyWood Tools C1000 is a unique wood lathe chuck that stands out for its innovative design and ease of use. Unlike traditional jaw chucks, the C1000 utilizes a collet-style mechanism to hold workpieces securely. This design eliminates the need for changing jaws, simplifying the chucking process. The C1000 is particularly well suited for beginners or woodturners looking for a hassle-free chucking experience. The collet mechanism provides a strong and secure grip on workpieces, while the single-handed operation makes it incredibly easy to use. Another advantage of the EasyWood Tools C1000 is its compact and lightweight design, which reduces the load on your lathe spindle. This can be especially beneficial when using smaller lathes or when you want to reduce the weight on your lathe's bearings. While the C1000 may not offer the same degree of versatility as traditional jaw chucks, it excels in simplicity and ease of use. Woodturners who value convenience and efficiency in their projects will appreciate the EasyWood Tools C1000. Coming in number 4. Nova TK48246. The Nova TK48246 is a versatile wood lathe chuck package that includes the popular Nova G3 chuck and a variety of jaw sets, making it an all-in-one solution for woodturners of all skill levels. This package is a great value for those who want the flexibility to tackle different turning projects with a single chuck. The Nova G3 chuck included in this package features a 4-jaw self-centering design, allowing for easy and precise workpiece mounting. Its dovetail jaw design enhances gripping power and ensures the workpiece remains secure during operation. The chuck is compatible with a range of lathe sizes, making it a versatile choice. What makes the Nova TK48246 package stand out is the assortment of jaw sets it includes. These jaw sets can be easily swapped out, allowing you to switch from one turning project to another without the need for additional chucks. This versatility is especially useful for woodturners who frequently work on various projects. The Nova TK48246 is a convenient and cost-effective choice for woodturners who want the flexibility to handle different turning tasks without investing in multiple chucks. Coming in number 3. Delta Industrial 46461. The Delta Industrial 46461 is a robust wood lathe chuck designed for heavy-duty turning tasks. It features a 4-jaw self-centering design, ensuring a secure and precise grip on your workpiece. This chuck is suitable for large and heavy workpieces, making it a favorite among professional woodturners. What sets the Delta Industrial 46461 apart is its exceptional gripping power. The scroll chuck mechanism provides a strong hold on your workpiece, minimizing the risk of accidents or workpiece displacement. This is especially important when working with large and unwieldy materials. The chuck is compatible with a wide range of lathe sizes, and it comes with a set of jaw options, allowing you to customize it to your specific turning needs. The Delta Industrial 46461 is engineered for durability and stability, ensuring it can withstand the demands of heavy turning applications. Woodturners looking for a reliable and heavy-duty chuck for their large-scale projects will find the Delta Industrial 46461 to be an excellent choice. Coming in number 2. Nova 48232G3. The Nova 48232G3 is a high-quality wood lathe chuck known for its precision and reliability. This chuck comes with a 4-jaw self-centering design, making it easy to mount and secure your workpieces. The Nova G3 is designed to fit a wide range of lathe sizes, ensuring compatibility with various lathe models. One of the standout features of the Nova 48232G3 is its enhanced gripping power, thanks to its unique dovetail jaw design. This design allows for a strong and secure hold on your workpiece, reducing the risk of slippage and increasing safety during wood turning. The Nova G3 also boasts a compact and lightweight construction, which makes it ideal for those who need a chuck that's easy to handle and install. The chuck is equipped with a one-handed key operation, enabling quick and efficient jaw adjustments. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodturner, the Nova 48232G3 offers the versatility and performance you need to complete a wide range of turning projects with precision and confidence. Coming in number 1. PSI Woodworking CSC3000C. The PSI Woodworking CSC3000C is a reliable and versatile wood lathe chuck designed to meet the needs of both beginners and experienced woodturners. It features a 4-jaw self-centering design, allowing for easy and accurate workpiece mounting. This chuck is compatible with a wide range of lathe sizes and can hold both large and small workpieces securely. One of the standout features of the PSI Woodworking CSC3000C is its compatibility with a variety of jaw sets, which makes it suitable for various wood-turning applications. Whether you're working on bowls, spindles, or other turning projects, this chuck has you covered. The included dovetail jaws and screw center allow for even more flexibility. The chuck also features a strong build, ensuring durability and stability during operation. The easy-to-use key mechanism provides quick and smooth jaw adjustments, saving you time and effort during your projects. The PSI Woodworking CSC3000C is an excellent choice for woodturners looking for a reliable chuck that offers versatility and ease of use.